Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you guys how to get the EPSXE emulator. This is an emulator for the PS1, and the reason why it's different from the SNES emulator is because of its use of the bin and queue file. Now the bin and queue file are like two separate files that when together run the game. And we're going to need to get these two files. So first up, you're going to need the following things, which I will put in the links below. You're going to need the 7-zip program. You're going to need the emulator itself, EPSXE. I'll show you where to get all these. And also, you're going to need a PS1 ROM. So first up, we're going to go and I will be back with the following items. So first up is the 7-zip. Just click this bottom link and that will get the download. Click on open, yes, install, click close, and now you have the program. So if we were to open it up, if we were to look for it, 7-zip, it would be right here. So you just click it and you see all your files and everything. So yeah. Okay, now we need to get the emulator. So we need to get the EPSXE emulator. So I would recommend the emulator zone. I'll put a link in the description and you click this top link right here. So once you do that, it will, I think it will open up, yeah. And you'll see all these files. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to extract it. So right click, extract all, browse, wait, hold up. Extract all, browse, PSX, select, extract. Okay. So now that you have done that, if I just look, you'll see that I'll have this PSX folder. And to run the actual application, you click this, the EPSXU. It should have a controller by it, and it'll run it. And if you look at file, it'll say CD-ROM, ISO, PS-exe, and BIOS. So now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to get our ROM. So let's look for PSX. So I would go to here. Choose like a place, like I will put this website link down in the description, and just let's see, just find a game that you want. Let's see here. I'm feeling like how about let's play some Crash Bandicoot, right? Okay. So here you're gonna be here. So just click something like, just click like save game. Okay. Just wait for the download to start. Okay. So the download has started, which is good, and I will come back when the download has finished. Okay, my download has finished. So let's just find it. Okay, right here. Crash Bandicoot, click on it, right click, and click on extract all. Okay. Click, if you go to your 7-zip, click on extract files. Okay. And it's extracting. So we're just going to wait for this to finish. Okay. Now that it's done, let's see. If you open up Crash Bandicoot, you should see your bin and queue file. So first up, let's just move this. Take the game or the file, and let's just you just move it to the ISO file in your emulator for PSX. And now that's there, this is what you do. You can open up, run it. Okay. So now that the emulator is running, click File, and you should see all these things. Run ISO, which is right here. And the reason I told you to put it in the ISO folder is it should. I guess it doesn't. But just go over, find it wherever you put it, and you click on the queue file. You need to click on the queue file, not the bin. You press open, and when you do that, see here, there you go. Okay, and it should be running. Let's see here. It might be a little slow. There are settings that you can adjust to like make it faster. So there you go. This is Crash Bandicoot, and that is how you get games on your PS1 games on your PC. Now, do know that if you get multiple discs, just apply this video to all of them, and just extract each file separately. And when you do that, just have multiple folders for each disk, and inside each folder should be the bin and queue. And what you can do is just go click run, and when the game says to swap disks, click run. File. Go to file, and it says change disk, and just click on ISO and click on the next queue file. And that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be, if you guys like this, I'll be dropping more. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.